Okay guys, let's come back to the exercise once again. So I hope all of you have successfully managed to create the customer quotation. So once the quotation is done, the next step is for us to create the sales order. So what the sales order is meant for is to indicate the number of items that has been requested. So once again, remember the purpose of creating this sales order and how this is linked to the quotation. Alright, so to create this sales order, same thing, go back to accounts receivable sales, click on entry, and then click on sales order. Once you have done that, click new. Once again, you will see the list of things that you need to fill in. Alright, so same thing, follow the instructions, key in your unique customer ID, which is supposed to be related to your student ID, and then this time round you do have a quotation and you are going to link this sales order to that quotation. So you're going to select yes, and then you're going to select customer quotation, and you are going to select the exact quotation that you created just now. Alright, so please be very careful. If you want to link to the quotation that you had created just now, you should select yes, link to customer quotation, and then select the right quotation. And once you have done this selection, you would notice that the credit term and the memo is automatically filled in. Alright, so if you don't see this filled in, then it's time you went back to your customer quotation to check what happened. So once you have done this, you have to select sequence format NA. Okay, and then you can now key in a unique number for this sales order. So just follow the worksheet. So the worksheet says SO S1, your unique student ID, and because I've already created this sales order before, I won't be using V1, so I use V2. But if you have not created this sales order before, you can choose V1. So once you have selected this sales order, next step is to scroll down to check that all the items are captured accurately. And if this is okay, click save and the record will be created. So same thing, print record and save this form using your register number, full name, and then the file name. Okay, this is important as it will help us to keep track of your submissions for this online lesson. So once that's done, you have successfully completed creating the sales order.